Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Ma'am, how do you saw the Puma brand? I mean, it's a big brand, in the sportswear industry. So, what is the specific quality you?
What is the specific quality about Puma? One, that they do very interesting running shoes. Now they've got this lifestyle shoe which is not for running, but you can wear it with anything. जैसे कि मैंने अपने dress के साथ team किया है, so you can wear it with jeans, t-shirt, and it just adds a little bit of color to your everyday outfit.
Okay, when you associate with a brand, what is the thing you keep in mind basically? What are the certain?
I mean, it should reflect a little bit of me. वो ज़रूरी है. I mean, I can't be present at an event where I don't think that shoe compliments me in any way. So I think it's a very young, sporty look, and it goes with my vibe.
lot of brands must have approached you for endorsing or something like that. Have you ever rejected a brand for any specific reason?
Yeah, I mean, if a brand is very far from what I am in my real life, then I don't think I want to associate with it. Something that's close to me in real life is what I want to associate myself with.
And what's going on professional front? Are you working on it?
Yes, I'm working on a few things. I'm working on a movie that should release in November. Very excited about it, but I just can't speak about it just yet. So I'm just hoping that the makers start talking about it, then I can. Web is interesting. A lot of web stuff is happening. So by the end of the year, I'll have a lot of stuff coming out. हेरा फेरी 3 में तो मैं नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं कि हेरा फेरी 3 बन भी रही है या नहीं, बट उसके अलावा एक बहुत ही बड़ी, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म है जिसमें मैं हूँ, लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ कि नहीं मैं हिंट दूँगी तो फिर आप समझ जाएंगे, बट सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगी कि नवंबर में फिल्म रिलीज़ होगी, तो आई थिंक बहुत कम फिल्में हैं जो नवंबर में रिलीज़ हो रही हैं, उसमें से एक है, एंड it's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you.